If you're struggling to get copywriting clients, it's not because you're bad at writing. It's because your outreach sucks. Most people send a few messages, hear nothing back, and then quit. That's why you're broke. But today I'm going to show you 5 of the best ways to start landing clients. These methods have helped me and others book calls, close deals, and start making real money with copywriting fast. By the end of this video, you'll have an exact strategy you can start using today to get clients. Let's go. So, before you find dream clients, you need to ask yourself, what's in my offer? What can I do for my client? So basically, you always got to be solving a problem for your client. This could be anything like email marketing, email sequences, funnel building, caption creation, co content repurposing, but you got to mix and match. Obviously, a business owner would rather pay one person to do 10 things compared to 10 people to do one thing. So if you master multiple sub niches under copywriting, you'll be really valuable. There's much more that you could help with, not only those things on the list that I said, but it all depends on your skill, effort, and time that you want to put into this. But your purpose is solve a business owner's problem. So the first method is cold calling. So I know this one is not for the weak, but it's also one of the fastest ways to land a client. I'm talking about cold calling. Yes, actually picking up the phone and calling businesses. I know it sounds old school, but because everyone is scared to do it, there's way less competition. So you could easily just go on Google Maps or any place that you can look at businesses near you, and you just call them on your phone. And I even wrote a cold call script that you could use. It goes like first, hey, first name, I came across your business and wanted to reach out real quick. Do you have 60 seconds? And they would be, yes. If they, and then you'll be like, awesome. I help businesses like yours get more leads and sales by improving their website and ad copy. Or you just plug and play with whatever skill that you possess that we went over just now. Then I noticed uh, something specific back to their website. So always do before research before uh, you outreach to anybody, no matter the platform. And then are you open to a quick chat about that? And then common objections that I've heard is I'm not interested. Then you could easily say, Totally get it, but real quick, have you ever tested different copy to see if it impacts conversions?" uh or we have a marketing team. That's great. I work with businesses that marketing team too. Most of them bring me in what they want when they want higher converting messaging. So just I recommend taking a quick screenshot, and when you're on the phone, just have this on your computer screen or something and you just read off of it. Yeah. Yeah, so the main point here is the more calls you make, the more money you'll make. So if you call 20 businesses a day, I guarantee you'll land a client. So next is an untapped thing that nobody talks about. It's Bumble Biz, not Bumble like it is Bumble the dating site, but there's a sub part into it where you can network with other people. And I'm not you don't have to go flirting with the business owners. It's pretty simple actually. Nobody's talking about it because it's under Bumble. So yeah, this is a so after you obviously make up your profile, optimize it, put the headline, bio, put any clean photos, then and then you personally go swipe left or right like it's a dating app, but for potential business owners, marketers, or coaches that you think that would work with you. And then when they do accept, you can send um this message that I wrote for you, the script. Hey, name, I saw you're in industry. Love what you're doing. I help businesses improve their messaging to increase leads and conversions. Let's connect and see if there's a way we could help each other. Bumble Biz isn't about hard selling, it's about building relationships. So some of these connection will turn into clients, others into referrals. Either way, it's a win. Yep, like I said right here. uh, because you could also connect and get referrals from other people. It's not only just sell, sell, sell. You could get a referral and maybe they will be even better than the person you talk to. Next is Instagram DMs. Everybody heard about them. And so I'm gonna show you guys how I would approach it. So let's see. I would go on Instagram, obviously. Oh, Instagram. Yeah, so go on Instagram. Wait for it to load. Yeah, so you're just gonna go to the search tab and you would search up, for example, hashtag fitness, right? And then while there, you would go to the hashtag and try to find people that you might think would be a good fit. So right here, let's see this. So I recommend when you go into their page, you like some posts, follow their account, and then go to their story, like their story, and then go into their bio, see if they're actually selling something that you could fix or you could just give them value that your copywriting would bring. So yeah. So yeah, this guy's selling a plan, one-on-one coaching, high ticket, low ticket, and then looks like there's also free plans. So this would be a good client if you could outreach with him and then send him. Me personally, I would go into his DMs and he sees that you already liked. He would remember your name on his notifications that you liked, followed, and everything. And then a day later or just a couple hours later, you would send him a loom about fixing something about his business or just like breaking it down. And then usually, if it goes into the pending, anybody would accept it if there's a video. It's compared to the usual, oh, how you doing, how you doing. But if you also don't want to do that loom, that's personally what I do. That gives me high conversions and high response rates. But there's also, you can also send a message like I wrote right here. Uh, hey, first name, I love what you're doing with your business. I noticed something on your website that could potentially boost your conversions. Want me to send you a quick breakdown? Yeah, and then for example, I don't have the budgets. No worries, a few small tweaks could make a big difference. Want me to send over some free tips? So usually, if it's somebody that you really want to work with and you think that you can actually give them real good success, you could work for them for free or for a testimonial that could go into your portfolio, and then later on, they'll you could upsell them, and then they'll pay you. Next, we have Threads, which is with X. So step one, just post daily about marketing. Number two, engage in replies to business owners when they ask for advice, and then you would DM them. Then there's the script, and then three, turn tweets into a mini case study showing how good copy makes money. So yeah, what I wrote right here as a key takeaway with this method, you're just not just pitching, you're also attracting clients who come to you. And this is something definitely slept on for client outreach because business owners literally go there to talk about their struggles, and all you have to do is reply with a solution. And um, not only are you outreaching to them and like solving their problems, later on they're gonna be you're attracting clients and they'll come to you. So next, the last one, and this last method is pure gold. Look, the hack that instantly finds businesses who need copywriting. My personal favorite and what I am currently pivoting and putting my main focus into. So this is what I'm currently doing the most, and this is what I recommend for any copywriter, no matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, or even an expert. This you could definitely get client work from this and get that first retainer or just that retainer that you've been wanting. So instead of randomly messaging people, what if you could only reach out to the businesses that already spend money on marketing, and then you know that they have the money to spend on copywriters and they know the value of them? That's what the Facebook ad library lets you do. So I'll show you guys the quick breakdown. So I would have to do this. Yeah. So Facebook ad library, right? It would be this. So step one would be to switch this option to all countries, ad category to all ads, and then whatever niche or whatever that you chose. For example, I would go with fitness coaching and then just enter. And now it's just your goal to read through all these and look for low, weak ad copy that you then when you find one, you could just DM the business owner, which back on the board, yeah, I wrote a good script that you guys could use. Hey, business name, I saw you're running ads for product. I specialize in optimizing ad copy to boost conversions. Want me to send you a quick breakdown of how your ads could perform better? And then you would just send them the loom. If they do reply with yes, that just breakdown. And this is the best method because you're not chasing random leads. You're reaching out to businesses that already spend money on ads and need better copy. So if if you're serious about landing copyrighted clients, you got to take action. Drop a comment down below. What's the first method you're going to try? And if you want more client getting tactics, subscribe. I drop daily copywriting growth tips every single day. Now go out and start landing clients.